You're listening to Coexist Podcast with Madam LQ, Nomer Mindmaster, and Tio Brad.
And ano sa tingin mo, bakit yung mga ibang tao ayaw nilang maging responsible sa sarili nilang, alam mo yun?
Programming.
Okay.
Okay? Paano tayo pinalaki? Okay? Example. Okay? May anak ka. Kakalakad pa lang. Okay? Nadapa. Right? Anong normal tendency ng magulang pag nadapa yung anak?
Damputin.
Right? Anong message sa bata? Pag dinampot ka agad. Hindi siya tinuruan mag-process na nadapa ka dahil ikaw yan. At kung gusto mong tumayo, kaya mong tumayo kahit wala ako. But normal, nadapa, inakay, anong message sa bata habang lumalaki? Pag may nangyari sa akin, hindi ako yung gagawa ng solusyon. May aakay sa akin.
Yan pa naman yung formative years nila.
Exactly. That's why you work with, people, you're working with people, kahit anong turo mo, nag-aantay pa rin ng instruction. Kasi yan yung pagpalaki. No, inakay mo, umiyak ng umiyak, hindi tumahan. Anong next gagawin ng nanay? Dumaan yung yaya. Hinampas si yaya. Bad si yaya! Kasalanan ni yaya kaya ako natumba. Hindi pa rin tumigil ng iyak. Hinampas yung floor. Anong sinabi? Bad si floor! Okay, kung hindi kayang i-blame kay yaya, si floor na. Floor, ang tanga-tanga mo. Hindi ka...
Saka yung negative word na bad.
Oo. Diba? Parang okay, hindi ko kasalanan. So number one, your capability was not built in how you were raised. Right? Pangalawa, yung responsibility hindi tinuro. Versus anak, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Talikod ka. Tatayo yan. Right?
Tama, no?
Kasi, yung definition ng pagmamahal natin as Pinoy is, I'll do anything and everything. Anak, isusubo ko na lang.
Ibibigay ko pa sa'yo.
Huwag ka magtaka, mga anak mo walang respeto. Kasi wala kang respeto sa sarili mo. Wala kang tinira.
Ayun. Grabe.
Klaro ba? Parang, di ba, it's yung when you hurt so much, parang there's so much pain when you love so much. Ano bang definition ng love? Ang ating definition love is to spoil people and make them brats. Give them what they want. Did that make sense? So, that's number one. Hindi sila naturuan ng capability kasi you do it all for them.
Yes.
Right? Pangalawa, hindi itong responsibility kasi may nangyari, blaming people. Pangatlo, eto madala, hindi tumigil ng iiyak. Ginawa mo na lahat. Iyak pa rin ng iyak. Anong next gagawin ng magulang sa tingin nyo?
Sasabihin pa ng magulang, uy, strong yan.
Strong yan. Most of the time, they say, hey, what's wrong with you?
Ayan.
Ano ba? Ano pa ba gusto mo? So, anong thinking na bata? Oh, shits. Wala na akong karapatan mag-express. Yun ako pwedeng umiyak.
Ina-invalidate na yung
Na-invalidate yung feelings ko. Versus, okay, just cry. When you're ready, let's play. But if you still wanna cry, just cry. Leave them alone. Again, ang daming parents magre-react nito. Ang daming may ayaw nito. Pero yung mga anak, gustong-gusto, naririnig. Conscious parenting. Bakit? 50% ng familiarity mo sa buhay form between 0 to 4-year-old.
Ayun na nga.
50% of how you behave, 50% how you think right now, you got it from the most important and the most influential people in your life. Karamihan parents. No? Sometimes yaya. Sometimes lola. So kung paano ka pinalaki, 50% yan yun.
Yung karga sa crib. Pag umiyak, karga sa crib. Diba?
Yeah, so again,
or the lack thereof, kung walang parents. Isa rin
yan. I mean, that's why there's a lot of people right now na yung mga tendency na masyadong sensitive. Kasi ito yung mga belief system niya na hindi ako minahal. Bakit? Ang nagpalaki sa akin, hindi magulang ko. Especially mga OFW children. Siyempre, longing yan na magulang eh. So, they grow up very high level of sustainability.
Ideally, yung tatay, yun na magpo-provide ng security sa bata. ng pangangaral, yung tatay.
Mhm.
Yung nanay naman, yung pangangalaga, the love, the compassion, the care. Kung wala nag-provide nun, or sometimes yung nanay kailangan mag-provide nung dalawa, nagiging nanay na siya, kailangan niya pa rin maging tatay.
Mhm.
Yung bata, kadalasan coach, ang napansin ko, yung batang walang tatay, naghahanap ng lover na mas
Correct.
edad. Not that it is wrong.
Oo.
But in our society, it's frowned upon.
Oo, totoo.
So,
Ano man masama magmahal lang ang tito?
actually, ikaw
Ano
yung
naman ang
pinapatamaan
ano?
ko, Tiyo Bray. Not that it is wrong!
Anong masama naman doon?
Correct. Oo. Diba? Kailangan natin paalagaan ng mga kabataan dahil sila yung future ng bayan.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
Tama Dan, on the way. So, good.
Oo.
Good call, good call.
Madami si Tomer na madami sinusuporta ang college.
Oo.
Yan.
Tama naman, diba?
Tama. Ayun.
Hindi, pero coach, ang may share lang namin, ang cause namin ni Brian at saka ni Dayan. Shoutout doon sa isang member
Si
ng
Madam LQ.
Coexist, si Madam LQ.
Madam LQ.
Ang cause naman namin, coach, is makagawa ng fundraising, makapag-share kami, makapag-tides kami para sa mga children na may cancer. Yun ang naman namin.
Grabe yun. Pero hindi ko talaga kaya pumunta dun sa ospital. Naiiyak ako eh. Ayokong makita eh.
Totoong mahilig talaga kami
kaya
sa bata.
ano na lang, magbigay na lang.
Oo. Magbigay na lang.
Kung hindi yung gusto mong gawin, yung alam mo saan ka magaling, let's do our part. Let's do our role.
Oo, tama yun. Yung sa, nga pala, coach, sa diversity, anong masasabi mo sa mga diverse?
Meaning yung pagkakaiba-iba ng religion, melting pot yung Pilipinas eh. Iba-iba
Okay.
religion, iba-iba filosofiya sa buhay, iba-iba approach sa buhay.
Paniniwala.
Oo. Ang attempt talaga ng coexist is paano natin mapagsama-sama.
How can we coexist?
How can we
I think if we take a look at the evolution of how the world is now revolving, there's a huge need for diversity. What does it mean? Let's talk about workplace. Okay? Right now, meron ng 5 generation.
Grabe, oo.
So, paano mo i-blend in yung 5 generation na yan? Right? Part of that, with that 5 generation, meron na rin iba't ibang mga paniniwala in terms of their religious faith. At dito ako talagang nalulungkot kasi para sa akin, ang Panginoon, ang pangalan niya is love, respect, and compassion. Pero dahil meron akong paniwala na mas maganda yung paniwala ko o relihiyon ko sa'yo, ako lang yung malalangin, ikaw hindi. Nagkakaroon ng division.
Madalas demonyo ka pa.
Exactly. Totoo.
Hindi may paliwanag, demonyo.
Demonyo, antichrist ka.
Correct.
Magkaiba
So,
tayo ng
sa totoo lang, ako lumaki akong saradong protestante. Tapos, nagkaroon ng bagong faith yung pastor namin, sumama kami. He's born again. So wala kaming ibang ginawa kung hindi mag-convert ng mga non-born again. May nakita kong gap na para sa akin, kung si Jesucristo is here to unite us, He never judge people.
Yes. Tsaka he hang out with everybody.
I think yan yung magiging lumaki akong never never hang around with non-believers so yun parang
yung bulok na kamatis daw.
so lumaki akong judgmental, lumaki akong mas magaling ako sa iyo. Pero hindi na nag-work para sa akin. So I'm now seeking for higher truth, better truth. Na right now, of course I believe in Christ, and I also respect and love those who are non-believers. Which is I wanna make sure they feel safe when they're around me. Because that's how I felt that if I take a look at all the religious faith, wala naman silang, si Buddha never talk about Buddhism.
Yeah.
Christ never talk about
Christianity.
Hindu never talk Hinduism. But all that I see, dalawa lang. Love and compassion. And para sa akin, especially right now, yung evolution ng humanity, if we want diversity, respeto na lang.
Exactly.
Okay? At wala akong obligasyon mag-convert sa kanila sa paniwala ko. At hindi rin ako papa-apekto kung gusto lang akong i-convert. Kasi nga, whatever works for me, works for me.
Exactly.
Yun lang yun. I guess, medyo open na ang karamihan ngayon in terms of talking about from moving from being religious to being spiritual.
Correct.
So that's where
Ang dami.
diversity comes in. Right? So I think it's more open, especially for the new generation, yung Gen Z. Yung mga practices ng spirituality more than religious is more acceptable. But for the other generation, medyo hirap.
Tabu pa.
Hirap. Oo. Lalo na yung mga boomers. Sila ang talagang hindi nila. Pero we have to give it to them. Ganun din
Exactly.
sila pinalaki.
Oo.
Nothing wrong
Ako
about
pag may
it.
nakiusap ko, anak, kasi I was never born Catholic, right? But I went to Catholic church. So I know how to pray the rosary. So there was one time may kumatok. Yun pala, yung Virgin Mary, tuwing anong month yun? August, parang ganon, iniikot. So, dinala sa unit ko. At sabi niya, anak, nasaan ang altar nyo? Sabi ko, wala po. Pero ano pong pwedeng gawin? I was just open. And then, okay, so let's pray the rosary together. So, I prayed. Without judging, because I believe it's just one and the same. Yun yung aking paniniwala. And that works for me. Mas masaya ako doon.
Tama.
Feeling ko, mas marami ako nabe-bless na tao.
Tama. Same din. I guess, ngayon kasi sa spirituality, ganun talaga pag, ang tingin kasi nila sa spirituality is religion. Na ako, ine-explain ko, sa grupo namin, merong iglesia, may Muslim, may Hindu, may Buddhist, may Christian, pero never namin napag-usapan yung religion.
Ay, pag nag-uusap kami about religion, ay, ang ganda pala ng lesson sa inyo, no?
Oo.
Pwede namin i-apply yan.
Oo.
In fact, ang nakakatuwa sa akin ngayon, pag may kausap akong iglesia, feeling na iglesia ako. Pag nakausap akong Islam, feeling na Islam din ako. So, it's love and compassion speaks to all.
Yun ang common denominator.
Exactly.
Tsaka, I guess that's the universal truth. Mahalin mo yung kapwa mo, 'di ba? Mahalin mo yung sarili mo, mahalin mo yung Diyos. That's it. Trinity.
I guess, Coach, yun yung we have more in common than our differences, di ba?
Correct.
So, siguro ang magandang mangyari, no, magkaroon yung mga tao na hanapin yung pagkakaparehas natin.
Correct.
Rather than, kasi, siguro ang root niyan yung ego natin, na feeling natin napaka-unique natin. Yes, you are. But at the end of the day, if we're talking of the collective...
Sige, you wanna test this?
Sige.
Okay. Look at us together. What do you see in Nomer and what do you see in Ras?
Si Ras, maganda yung katawan. Si Nomer, okay lang.
May condemnation.
Si Nomer, maganda katawan. Mas maganda katawan ni Ras.
Sige.
Si Nomer, mahabang buhok. Si Coach Ras, may si buhok. Si Coach Ras, may puti-puti dito. Si Nomer, wala. Naka-navy blue ka, naka-green si Okay.
Dito pa lang, pinag-uusapan ng spirituality. Why not saying you're both human? Gustong magmahal? Gustong mahalin?
Mapagmahal? Yan.
Nasaktan? Nakasakit?
Yan.
But notice how automatic was that. We just talk about this. We are enlightened, but notice how automatic was. Tall, taller.
Duality.
Fit, fitter. Duality kaagad. So notice how ingrained that was.
Ang bilis, no?
Matik Seconds lang, ha?
Grabe.
Sabi ko, ang tanong ko, what do you see between us? I did not say, what's the different? That was a choice of word. But matik ka kaagad. Form, looks, height, versus, we're one and the same. Gusto magmahal, gusto mahalin, nasaktan, pareho. Matik.
Grabe yung brainwashing sa atin, no? Isipin mo tayo nag-aware na ganun. Aware na, pero...
Don't worry, ganun din ako.
Pero ako, nandun din ako sa brainwash ba talaga tayo? Or it's just human, humans have always been like that?
It's not brainwash, eh. It's what was passed on.
Yon.
It was handed down. Again, I will not blame my parents or my grandparents.
Yes.
That was passed on. Now awakening.
Yes.
Yun bang pinasa sa'yo effective about
Yung
it?
generational curse, puputulin mo na.
Exactly. That's why I always say, what you did was not good, was not bad. Was not right or wrong. But was it effective to see people right away na magkaiba.
So yung talagang mga nag-a-awaken, no? Pansin ko lang, sila yung nagbe-break nung minsan generational curse, yung patterns ng pamilya, nung grabe.
Ito naman, Coach, yung approach naman to life. Karamihan ng Pilipino, Lord, thy will be done. Although,
Yes.
may close and open parenthesis, baka naman. Gustong si Lord din yung gumawa ng, yung way nila, gustong i-provide ni Lord. Versus, doon naman nasa spectrum ng, kailangan hard work, discipline. Ano sa tingin mo masasabi mo dyan, Coach?
So, right now, the modern world right now, sa personal development, meron kasing goal setting, okay, which ako personally, I don't do of that.
Wow.
I'm not saying it's bad, it's wrong, it's good or correct. But the goal setting is very transactional. Diba? Sinabi mo, diba? By October, 6-packs ab ka na. Pagkatapos ng birthday mo, nakuha mo yung 6-packs abs. So, anong gagawin mo next?
Maintain.
Balik ka na naman. Kadalasan.
No?
Right? Because it's goal.
Oo.
Ako naman, I do intention setting. Which means, I ask you, anong intention mo ba? Peace of mind, happiness, become a blessing. While you are not there yet, if that is how you live your life every day, papunta ka rin eh. Pero here's the thing. Pag nag-goal ka, ang goal mo ganito. Pero hindi mo alam ang hinanda sa'yo.
Ayun.
Hindi mo nakikita.
Yung gusto mo versus gusto niya.
Exactly. I'll give you an example. When we decided to move out of Manila, okay, so grabe, grind. So may nahanap kaming property na gustong-gusto namin. Kaso lang hindi siya level 10. 8 months naming tinrabaho. Up until one day, groundbreaking. Nung groundbreaking, sabi ko, Lord, hindi level 10 eh. Gusto kong level 10. On the same day, may dumating at sinabi, may nagbukas ng bagong property, baka magustuhan nyo.
Ito ng aliw. Ano?
Ito lang
8 aliliw.
Para lang sa mga taga-coexist. Tingnan nyo na lang sa mga story namin ni Nomer. Makikita nyo yung farm ni parang, sasabihin ko ba yung brand? Yung nakikita ko kaparehas nito.
Itago natin sa pangalang San Benito.
Yung tago natin sa pangalang The Farm at San Benito. Ganun yung itsura nito.
Thank you ha, gusto ko yan. I accept that.
Ganun.
Blessing.
Pagdating pa lang namin ni Leo, parang, nasa The Farm. Ito na ba yung aliliw pala to?
So, had I not surrendered on that day, I'll still be focused on this, and this. Eto, lahat, pati yung, lahat kinenta ko sa'yo, na imposibleng nandito, eto palang hinanda
Up
for
to
me.
the landscaper.
Exactly. Even the type of fruit that is not found here in Luzon, it's here.
Dahil taga Davao si Coach.
Oo. So, it's here. So, how can you explain that? Kung pinilit ko yun,
Hindi mo nakuha to.
hindi ko nakuha to. Did that make sense?
Yes.
So what I'm trying to say here is, yes, you grind harder internally.
By working on yourself.
Which means, ang trabaho ko lang, eto ha, I don't, in the past 10 years, I don't remember soliciting for business. I don't remember inviting people in my business, pero kusang dumarating, kusang pumipila. Zero ako sa grind. Pero, yung internal work ko, I call it spiritual work, which means ang problema ng tao is fear, doubt, and worry. Anong katapat nun? Faith, hope, and love. So, rekta na ako sa faith, hope, and love. So, ano yung trabaho ko? Number one, I make sure I live a life that I'm clear. Anong ibig sabihin? Di ba? Sabi nga ni Jesus, kung may problema ka sa ibang tao, bago ka mag-offer sa akin, ayusin mo muna. So which means useless yung aking mga dasal, hinaing. Kung meron akong hindi na aayos dito sa katao. That's why the first things, I make sure clear yung buhay ko. Which is letting go as fast as I can. Forgive the fastest way possible. Masakit kung masakit, daanan mo ng konti, pero forgive na.
Ang paborito sabihin ni Tio Bray dyan, dapat nga dadaanan mo lang, pero yung ibang tao, tinambayan na, naki-wifi pa.
Pinabahayan. Tapos nagdala pa ng mga kabarkada. Diba? Tapos natin na, diba?
Tara, mag-usap-usap tayo, kawawa tayo. Diba?
Diba?
Bago yun, tinambat.
Diba?
Binahayan.
Oo, binahayan pa. No? So, nagdala pa ng barkada, nagbuo ng community of victim people.
Gumawa ng farm.
So again, that's the first thing. No? My only job on a day-to-day basis, I make sure I walk clear. Gaano ka clear? No? Physical space. How do you like my physical space?
Maayos.
Wow.
Maliwalas. You entered in my room. Walang kagamit-gamit.
Yes.
Wala akong bitbit. Number 2, emotional space. Pag meron akong hindi gusto kahapon, tapusin ko na. O Bray, let go ko na yung judgment ko kahapon ha. Ito yung nasigawan mo ko ng konti. Let go ko na yun. Tapos na. Tapusin na kagad emotional space. People space. Pag meron taong alam mong hindi na nakakatulong towards your next level, bless them, love them from afar. Let go. Digital space. That's why you noticed last night, wala akong Facebook.
Oo nga.
Kasi bakit? Pag nag-scroll up ka dyan, may nakita kang hindi mo gusto, husgahan mo kahit sa utak mo lang.
Nagkakasala ka na.
Energy yan, nabitbit mo eh.
Okay.
Did that take space? Digital space. Ako, nakita mo ang bilis kong sumagot sa SMS, sa
Chat.
Messenger. Bilis. Wala akong I received 200, 300 a day. Lahat yan sagot ko. It's either number 1, Bray, hindi ko kayang gampanan yan, sorry. Pero hindi ako magsisin zone lang. Or, Bray, eto na lang, hindi ko siya kayang gampanan, eto si Keanu, gawin niya yan. Or kung hindi ko pwedeng delegate, tatrabahuin ko na kagad. Gawin ko na. Last night, I have a need to support you. Matik, padala mo na. Book na yung ticket mo. Nasa na kontrata. Nakuha mo? So, hindi ko na siya iisipin. Ganun ka-clear dapat ang buhay. Para ako, moving forward. Kasi lahat ng dadaanan na kailangan kong baliktarin ko na para tapos na. But is that enough? No. Number 2, you must be well-guided. And we call that congruency.
Yeah.
Which means I spend a lot of time, energy, effort, and ultimate non-negotiable to really connect to my source through my daily meditation and daily physical practice. You notice kanina, marami ting accomplish, pero hindi ko pa rin let go.
Ma-share ko lang sa inyo, nag-start ang araw namin ngayong araw na to, 4 a.m.
4 a.m. Yep.
Never pa ako nakapag-meditate ng ganong oras.
Ako din. It's, may one time, pero hindi na naulit.
Hindi, puyat ka lang noon, umabot ka lang na alas 4.
Sa kakaalaman ng mga kabataan, di ba?
Oo. Kasi nagmi-mission. Yan.
Calling yan.
Yan.
So, hindi pa kailangan ng calling dito.
Yun, nag-start kami, alas 4, meditate.
Oo.
Sila, nag-yoga pa sila. Ako, Yoda.
Yoda?
Nakatatlong meeting ako.
We didn't know.
Lahat ng aking messenger, sagot ko. Ilang messenger na sagot ko sa fan page ko? 50 plus.
50
Tapos
plus.
lahat yun. Kaya nakaupo ako dito, hindi ko nakaisip, ang daming nagme-message sa akin. Hindi, kasi tinapos ko na bago ako umupo dito. Tapos humiling pa ako, grounding tayo, para talagang centered tayo. Congruency ang tawag dyan. Which means I am aligning myself to how he thinks, how he feels, how he acts, with physical movement. Because again, the temple of the Holy Spirit is our body.
What would Jesus do nga, kumbaga?
Exactly. But is that enough? No. If the goal here is to bless as many people as you can in terms of finances, number 3, up your competence. Ibig sabihin, kung pinili mong maging accountant, be the best accountant in the world.
Right.
Kung pinili mo maging content creator, be the best content creator in the world. So do not complain pag hindi ka pa nagkaka-result, right? Because you know it takes time. Right? Pero ang tanong ngayon,
Sorry na.
nag-i-improve ka ba everyday? Inaayos mo ba everyday? Do you invest time, energy, and effort to be the best of where you are? But not only that, are you top of mind also? Are you mission driven? So that's where we now start to live a life that is free. Kasi, di ba, masarap maging fulfilled, masarap maging peace of mind, pero masarap din maraming pera.
Totoo naman.
Siyempre.
Di ba? The best of both worlds.
Oo.
No, hindi naman pwedeng or yan. It should be both.
Siguro meron kasing conditioning sa atin na
Yan nga.
naipasa na kapag parang halimbawa, yung ginawa ni Vision.
Laging may catch.
Naglagay siya ng 12 na goals, common goals. Yung mga tao pumipili, 3 lang, 4 lang. Pero sino nagsabi sa'yo na yung 12 na yun hindi mo pwede makuha lahat? For example, kapag matalino daw, bobo daw sa pag-ibig.
Pag nakaasawa ka, okay na yan. Kahit hindi gwapo, mayaman naman.
May ganyan.
Hindi mo makukuha lahat eh.
That's what you call settling.
Yun nga eh.
'Di ba? Again, belief system 'yan. Lumaki tayo anak.
Oo.
Makontento ka naman.
Oo.
Huwag ka masyado mag-ambisyon.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang it's still coming from fear.
Mhm.
It's still coming from doubt, and that's what we want to break in.
Mhm.
That the practice that I'm advocating is not really centered towards a certain goal, but centered towards a certain beingness.
Mhm.
And that certain beingness is what I call limitless being.
Yan.
So how do you become limitless? That your life is not dependent on external things.
Yes.
But it's dependent on who you are. But how do you work on who you are? Again, number one, clear your life. Wala kang bit-bit. Pangalawa, congruency, align with your creator. Pangatlo, be good at what you do, because again, the law of compensation says, kung sobrang galing mo at people cannot afford not to have you, that's where you get being paid a lot. Right? Kasi kung potso-potso ka lang, potso-potso rin parating. Right? So ako, I spend just today, I haven't done any learning, but later on, pag may downtime tayo, learning na ako. Leo just sent me the material just sent. Yun ang inaaral ko ngayon eh. Next week, mamaya, ang topic ko, 5D na. Kasi inaaral ko. Right? So when I'm in front of my audience, may bago. Alam mo, ang mga audience ko, mga client ko, since 15 years ago, up until now, are still my client. So hindi na ako nagpo-prospecting, hindi na ako I never do ads. But it's a recurring business, and then one after the other. Bakit?
Renewal.
Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Magaling.
Totoo.
Diba?
I like the
Ang
confidence.
nakikita ko, Bri,
Hindi, totoo, magaling.
ang nakikita kong common denominator natin, ng grupo natin ng spirituality team, at saka ng grupo ni Coach na I Am Limitless. We have more in common. We have more in common.
True.
Ang nakikita ko, yung only difference is that we are work in progress. Siya, boy, na patotoo. He's already there and nakakatulong siya. That's why I'm taking this opportunity to really thank you, Coach Russ, for
Coach,
this
thank you.
co-creation. Biglaan. Walang plano-plano.
Thank you, universe. Yun lang.
God made it happen.
Yeah, you're welcome. And I guess, ako, naniniwala ako, no? Walang coincidence.
Do you believe in coincidences?
Everything is planned.
I believe that too. What a coincidence.
But you just have to choice. You just have to make a choice.
Yes.
Na okay, may opportunity. Pag yung opportunity inside your gut feel, wow, level 10 to. By all means, gagawin ko ng paraan. Pero kung level 8 lang, tapos sana makancel,
Yeah.
wag na.
Bago tayo humaba pa, Coach, gusto ko magkaroon ng part 2 to. I'm sure magde-demand sila ng part 2 yung mga listeners
grabe.
ng Coexist Podcast.
Oo.
Again, maraming salamat, Coach. Maraming salamat.
Pa-promote muna natin kay Coach kung saan siya mafa-follow, ano yung mga niya latest seminars. So,
Ras Huson lang. Meron akong page patag doon.
Apo. Page.
Transformational Coach Ras
Ras.
Huson. Bago ko lang inap yung aking YouTube. So
Yan.
I want, I want you to bless me by subscribing to my YouTube, because I'm gonna flood the YouTube with this type of content, and hopefully you get to help me. Yun yung pinaka-blessing nyo sa akin. No?
Sa TikTok po, Coach.
TikTok meron din, Ras Huson. TikTok, yun lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instagram, lahat naman available. Ang pinaka-ano ko na ngayon, gusto kong mabuhay talaga is bago lang ako sa YouTube na naglalagay ng long form. So, I feel maraming mabibless doon.
For sure.
Hindi, tsaka lahat si Coach, 10x. Ang daming negosyong ninahawakan. 10x lahat. So, yun yung buhay na patotoo na huwag ka mag-settle. Dahil you can really have it all.
Tsaka huwag ka magreklamo, overwhelmed ka.
Oo.
Correct. Pero hindi ka ma-overwhelm pag clear ka,
Okay.
align ka. Kasi siya, ilang bilyong tao nasa buong mundo, hindi siya overwhelmed.
Oo.
Right? Bakit? Magaling siya. Sundin mo lang siya.
Iba. Ayun. So, yung Aliliw Farm?
Aliliw.
8 Aliliw dito sa Lokban, Quezon to, Coach.
Kung saan maraming aliw.
Oo.
Kaso lang,
Ayan. Gusto ko yan.
Tio Bray, mukhang na-disappoint eh.
Hindi
Diba?
naman.
Hindi, mamaya merong mga school.
Yan. Sa falls. Madaming wet loop.
Ayun. Maraming salamat, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Russ. Thank you, guys. See you.
Also, please feel free to rate, subscribe, and leave a review wherever you listen to your podcasts. That helps others find the show, and we greatly appreciate it. Once again, we thank you for joining us on the Coexist podcast. We'll catch you in the next episode. And until then, love and light.